It's not uncommon for your torque dolly remote control to go missing, become damaged, or experience malfunctions. In such cases, purchasing a new remote and pairing it with your torque drive unit is necessary. In this video, we'll walk through the process of pairing a new remote with the torque drive unit. This is the old remote transmitter, already paired with the receiver inside the electric box and functioning correctly. Let's power it off by pressing the right button for 3 seconds, then power off the torque drive unit and set the remote aside as if it were lost. Now, let's unbox the new remote transmitter and power it on by pressing and holding the right button for 2 seconds. Also, power on the torque drive unit. Since it's not yet paired, the new remote won't control the motor, which is normal at this stage. Ensure both the new remote and the torque drive unit are powered off, then let's begin the pairing process. Power on the remote. Once it's on, press both buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds until the remote vibrates once. This indicates it's in pairing mode and searching for available receivers to pair with. Now, power on the torque drive unit, and the pairing process is complete. When I slide the throttle, the motor spins. To set up the battery indicator properly, press and hold the speed button for 3 seconds. Then toggle between the 4 available battery indicator options. Since we use a 6-cell lithium-ion battery, we need the option with 1 blinking LED. Press and hold the speed button to exit the battery indicator setup, and you're all set. Thank you for watching.